Easy die hack to revive your robot vacuum side brushes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share a simple yet effective DIY solution to a common problem faced by robot vacuum owners. Over time, the side brushes of your robot vacuum may get deformed, affecting their performance. Instead of constantly buying new brushes and waiting for deliveries, I'll show you how to easily fix this issue with just a few materials and a little bit of your time. As we all know, robot vacuums are fantastic home assistants, keeping our homes clean while we work or relax. However, the side brushes can lose their shape over time, especially after bumping into furniture during their cleaning sessions. This can lead to poor debris collection, especially along walls. For this quick DIY solution, you'll need a piece of wire less than 1 meter long, with a diameter of approximately 0.75 of a millimeter, hot water, and a bit of your time. Step 1. Remove the side brushes and wash them with soap to ensure they are clean. Step 2. Wrap the wire around the brushes, shaping them back to their original form.
I can tell you want me. I can show you how. Take it out, I can tell you want me. I can show you how. Take it out,
Step 3. Dip the brushes in hot water. The plastic parts are not immersed in the water. When the water cools down, put them in a dry place for 24 hours.
I can tell you want me. I can show you how.
Step 4. Remove the wire. Place the brushes back in their original position and save the wire for future use.
I can show you how. Take it out.
And there you have it, a simple hack to revive your robot vacuum side brushes. Now, while our little helper is busy cleaning, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy a cup of coffee. If you found this DIY tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I can tell you want me.